guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita, and if you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today, I think for this vlog, I am going to do like a self-care routine, a couple appointments to do this week. So I think I'm going to make this week's vlog about this. Welcome back. So today is actually Tuesday.
Hello.
Thank you. I'm just waiting for her to come out with another. Well, I'm getting a size 9. I can really get a size 8. But I want these to last a while, so these are like but check it out.
其實唔好俾佢影嘅係咪？
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. So I actually haven't picked up the camera in a few days. Today is Wednesday and I am going to get my nails redone. They need one. I don't know why I'm so happy, but yeah, I'm gonna go get a new set. So I'm doing that this morning, and then I have to go run some errands. Okay. So guys, always, well, when you get longer, like stiletto or even coffin, is good to do that. Or well, I feel like and tapered square. You pinch the free end of the nail, and it makes your, like, say you have a wider nail bed, it just gives it a more polished, squared off look. And what they say, I'm trying to tap into my
From inside.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to do that.
The last time I was saying that I find like women so much more masculine now.
Yeah.
It's happened to more masculine.
Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I just finished getting my truck washed and detailed. I'm gonna go and head out, get ready for the rest of the evening. It is actually Friday, but I think I'm gonna end off this vlog right here. So guys, if you have not done so already, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let me know down below if there's anything else that you'd like to see. And then also please run over to my Instagram and follow me at its__Kita. And I'll have everything linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.